You know you've got a serious problem when you're getting more than enough pussy, but still find yourself checking off to porn. Because most of us were under the impression or the assumption that once we lose our virginity, we'd also lose the urge to look and jack off to porn. We thought that we were jacking off because we were horny, but it's much deeper than that. Some guys live with their girlfriends, some guys are married, but they still often look at porn whilst their lady sleeps beside them. Then they go bust a quick nut in the toilet and come back to bed and hold their wives or girlfriends really tight. I think watching and developing an addiction to porn from a young age warps the mind so much so that the lust becomes unsatisfiable. It becomes a hole that can never be filled. By the time you make love to a real woman, you are already cooked because she will never compare nor satisfy you as the countless women you've nutted to. In fact, no woman will ever be enough for the porn addict. When I realized this about myself, when I realized that I was still an addict regardless of having all the sex I thought I ever wanted, I realized that I can never use real sex to try and quit porn. I just have to quit the porn cold turkey without trying to use anything. It's like I knew the truth, but I was just avoiding it because I wanted to delay quitting the porn. We jack off not because we are horny. We jack off because we are trying to fill a void we subconsciously know we can never fill with pleasure, let alone pornography. We jack off because we want to silence our guilty conscience. We feel guilty because we are wasting our potential by not doing and sacrificing our lives to the things we feel God intended for us.